Okay, now we'll do the third method, cross multiplication method. Suppose we are given with two equations, x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0, and the second equation is 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0, and we have to find out the solution of this equation, these equations, but by cross multiplication method. If in question is asking for cross multiplication method, you have to apply this method. Otherwise, the board will not provide you the marks if you will solve the equations by any other method. So, now for applying this method, first we have to take these constant terms here in the right hand side. So, if I am taking minus 7 on that side, it will become equals to 7, and minus 15, if I'm taking this on that side, it will become equals to 15. Now I have to write the coefficient of x, y and constant term here in this way. A1 is the coefficient of x, B1 is the coefficient of y, and C1 is the constant term here. Similarly, from second equation, A2 is 3, B2 is
minus 3,
and C2 is
15.
15. So after getting the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, what I have to do? I just again write these numbers in the sequence B, C, A, B. What it means? First of all, I will have to write the numbers starting from B. B1, B2, that is minus 3, B, right? Then C. C means 7, 15. Then A. A means
1,
1,
3.
3. Then again B.
Minus 3,
minus 3,
minus 3.
minus 3, right? So you have to write down the numbers B, C, A, B in the form of B, C, A, B. These are the coefficient of y, these are the constant terms, these are the coefficients of x, and again these are the coefficient of y. Now, what I have to do now? Now I have to put here x, here y, and here minus 1. I hope you are clear up to here. We have to write all the coefficient and the constant term in the form of B, C, A, B. Then we have to write here x, y and minus 1. Now we will cross multiply the numbers. Minus 3 with 15 and minus 3 with 7. That's why this method is known as cross multiplication method. And how I have to write this? I just have to write here x upon, note it, x upon, the first one you have to take from the upper side of, if you are taking these two numbers, so from the first line, the first number from the first column is minus 3. Multiply minus 3 with 15.
Minus 45.
Minus 3 into 15. I'll write it in the next step. And have to put minus here. This minus you have to put by yourself. Not from here, but by yourself. These two, the product of these two numbers, the minus 3 into 15. And again, multiply these two numbers. Minus 3 into 7. In the same way, I will apply this method for y. 7 into 3, 15 into 1, and have to apply a minus sign in between. How? Y upon 7 into 3.
Minus.
Yes, minus 15 into 1. Now we have to apply this for minus 1. How we have to do it? It is minus 1 upon 1 into minus 3 and minus 3 into minus 3. Now we have to solve these. So I'm going to rub this. So this will be equals, this implies x upon 15 3s are
45.
it's minus 45. Minus minus plus 7 3s are
21.
21. Y upon
21.
21. 15 ones are
15.
15. And the last one is minus 1 upon 1 into minus 3.
Minus 3.
Very good. Minus 3. And minus minus, it's plus. And 3 3s are
9.
9. Now we will solve it further. X upon. Now given the value of minus 45 plus 21.
Minus 24.
It should be minus 24. What about y upon
6.
6 and minus 1 upon
6.
6. After reaching up to here, we have to divide this in two parts so that we'll get the value of x and y. How? X minus 24. Put this portion equals to the last one, minus 1 by 6, and put this one also, the portion of y containing y by 6 equals to minus 1 by 6. Now you just have to do a little thing and we'll get the answer. So x equals to, this minus will cancel out with this one, and 6 ones is 6, 6 fours are 24, and this 4 will come here, so x is equals to 4. In the same way, 6 ones is 6 and y is equals to minus 1. And this is the unique solution of given equations. So this is the solution.